To fix a credit card declined for online purchases, it is essential to understand the common reasons behind such rejections. Credit cards can be rejected for online purchases due to several reasons, including insufficient funds, expired or invalid card details, exceeded credit limit, suspicious transaction, or incorrect billing address. First, verify the credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code, to ensure they are accurate and up to date. Next, check the available balance and credit limit to confirm that the transaction amount does not exceed these limits. If the issue persists, contact the credit card issuer to confirm if there are any restrictions or blocks on the card. Sometimes, credit card companies flag online transactions as suspicious, especially if they are made from unfamiliar locations or devices. In such cases, the issuer may require verification of the transaction to ensure it is legitimate. Another common reason for declined transactions is incorrect billing address. Ensure that the billing address provided matches the one on file with the credit card issuer. This includes the street address, postal code, and phone number. To avoid declined transactions in the future, it is recommended to keep the credit card information up to date. Monitor account activity regularly, and notify the issuer of any changes in address or travel plans. Additionally, consider setting up transaction alerts to notify of any suspicious activity. By following these steps and understanding the common reasons behind credit card rejections, individuals can resolve the issue and complete their online purchases successfully. It is also essential to work with the credit card issuer to resolve any underlying issues and prevent future declines.